Papermaking by hand is an ancient tradition that dates back almost 2,000 years. It's a skill that I've spent the last 4 years teaching in various tours and workshops all over Norway with youngsters, adults, kids. And I've finally put everything I know together in one big online course. There are various different techniques to create paper, some more traditional than others. And in my course I go through both some simple, not so traditional ones and also one that is more traditional. And I base my course kind of on the same principles that I base my interior design on, and that is using what you have and upcycling things. So in my course I make papers from recycled materials. And I use things that I have in my home that I can wash and reuse for the whole workshop. So it's definitely a low-cost kind of workshop that you can do with friends and family, or just by yourself if you need some quiet time working with your creative skills. Oh my god, I'm just kind of nervous. And this course, I almost forgot, but this course is actually live today. And there will be a sale on this course throughout all of December. And there will also be a Christmas bonus in this course throughout this month. So if you also have someone that you don't really know what to gift for them this year, then maybe this could be a good gift as well. And now I really have to go because I need to press the publish button on my course. So see you there. Bye.